ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল নমস্কাৰ। সাপ্লিমেণ্টাৰী ৰিডাৰ ক্লাছ 9 মোমেণ্টছ কিতাপখনৰ পৰা চেপ্টাৰ 2 দ্য এডভেঞ্চাৰ্ছ অফ টোটো পাৰ্টিৰ প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰ আলোচনা আজি আমি কৰিম। আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। হাউ ডাজ টোটো কাম টু গ্ৰেণ্ডফাদাৰ্ছ প্ৰাইভেট জু? এনচাৰ: Toto comes to grandfather's private zoo when he buys him from a Tonga driver for a sum of 5 rupees. The Tonga driver kept the little red monkey tied to a feeding trough. The monkey looked so out of place there that grandfather bought him and decided to keep him in his private zoo. Question number 2. Toto was a pretty monkey. In what sense is Toto pretty? Answer: Toto was a pretty monkey. His bright eyes sparkled with mischief beneath the deep-set eyebrows, and his teeth, which were a pearly white, were very often displayed in a smile that frightened the life out of elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. But his hands looked dried up as though they had been pickled in the sun for many years. Yet his fingers were quick and wicked, and his tail, while adding to his good looks, served as a third hand. All these distinct qualities made him look pretty. Question number 3. Why does grandfather take Toto to Saharanpur and how? Why does the ticket collector insist on calling Toto a dog? Answer: Toto was a mischievous monkey who wouldn't allow any of his companions to sleep at night. So, grandfather took Toto along with himself to Saharanpur. A bag made of strong canvas material was arranged. Some straw was placed in it. Toto was placed inside the bag, and the bag was sealed with a zipper. The ticket collector insisted on calling Toto a dog, possibly because there was no regulation for a monkey's fare in the train. Question number 4. How does Toto take a bath? Where has he learned to do this? How does Toto almost boil himself alive? Answer: Toto bathed like humans. He cunningly tested the temperature and gradually stepped into the bath until he was into the water up to his neck. He rubbed himself all over with the soap. Toto learned bathing by watching the author doing the same. One day, Toto jumped into a kettle of water kept on the stove for boiling, as he found it warm enough for a bath. As the water grew hotter, he thought of ascending, but the cold weather made him go back into the kettle. Toto kept on doing this for a while till he was spotted by the grandmother. She pulled him out of the kettle in time, or else he would have boiled himself that day. Question number 5. Why does the author say Toto was not the sort of pet we would keep for long? Answer: The author says that Toto was not a kind of pet they could keep for long because he was extremely mischievous. He destroyed many things. He tore the wallpapers, cloths, and curtains. He broke dishes too. Furthermore, he didn't get along well with other animals in the house. The family is also poor, so it can't bear this loss. Therefore, Toto is sold back to the Tonga driver for 3 rupees. Thank you.